Let me tell you about a tiny seed that's been feeding people for thousands of years and might be one of the smartest foods you add to your diet this year. It cooks fast, it's incredibly nutritious, and it can replace rice, pasta, or even breakfast oats. I'm talking about quinoa, your new little powerhouse in a bowl. Welcome to Pure Health Through Food. If you're new, great to have you here. If you're back, welcome again. Quinoa looks simple, but don't let that fool you. It's packed with complete protein, meaning it has all 9 essential amino acids, something you rarely find in plant foods. It's naturally gluten-free, high in fiber, rich in minerals like magnesium, iron, and zinc, and it gives you long-lasting energy without weighing you down. Light, fluffy, nutty, and super versatile, you can use it in salads, soups, bowls, or even sweet recipes. Quinoa actually isn't new at all. It's ancient. The Incas called it the mother of all grains, and they grew it high up in the Andes Mountains over 5,000 years ago. It was so important that Incan warriors believed it gave them strength before battle. Today, science shows they were onto something. It's still grown across Peru and Bolivia, using the same traditional methods, and now it's loved all over the world for its nutrition and adaptability. When it comes to health benefits, quinoa is one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can add to your plate. It's rich in fiber, which helps keep digestion smooth and supports more stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Its complete protein profile makes it a great option for muscle repair and steady energy, especially if you're trying to cut back on meat. Quinoa is also loaded with antioxidants that help calm inflammation in the body, and minerals like magnesium and potassium that support heart health. Another big benefit is how gentle quinoa is on the digestive system. Because it's naturally gluten-free and easy to digest, many people who struggle with bloating or heavy meals find quinoa more comfortable than traditional grains. It's light but filling, which makes it helpful for weight balance and appetite control. And since quinoa absorbs flavors so well, you can turn it into savory bowls, refreshing salads, or even breakfast dishes without feeling restricted. Now, can everybody eat quinoa? For most people, yes, it's considered safe, nourishing, and suitable for a wide range of diets, including vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, and heart-healthy lifestyles. The only thing to watch out for is the natural coating called saponin, which can taste bitter or bother sensitive stomachs if it isn't rinsed off. A good rinse before cooking usually solves that. Very rarely, some people may have a seed allergy, but that's uncommon. Overall, quinoa is an inclusive food that fits into almost any routine. And science has a lot to say about this tiny seed. Studies show that quinoa's balanced amino acid profile can improve satiety and help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Research also highlights its antioxidant content, which supports the body against oxidative stress. Its fiber helps feed good gut bacteria, promoting a healthier microbiome. And because quinoa is naturally high in minerals like iron and magnesium, scientists recognize it as a powerful staple for energy, muscle function, and long-term wellness. One of the best things about quinoa is how easy it is to use in everyday cooking. Think of it like rice, just rinse it well, simmer it in water or broth, and fluff it when it's done. You can mix it into salads for extra protein, use it as a base for bowls with vegetables and lean meats, or stir it into soups to make them heartier. It even works for breakfast. Add a little cinnamon, fruit, and honey for a warm, nourishing morning bowl. Quinoa is like a blank canvas that takes on whatever flavor you pair it with. There are also a few groups who may want to be cautious. People with seed allergies, although rare, should introduce quinoa slowly or avoid it altogether if they've had reactions before. Anyone with severe digestive conditions, like advanced Crohn's or ulcerative colitis, may need to be careful with high-fiber foods in general. And if you're on a very low oxalate diet, you might want to check with a professional before making quinoa a daily habit. For most people, though, quinoa is safe and well tolerated. So overall, quinoa truly earns its reputation as a modern-day superfood. It's ancient, it's versatile, and it delivers real nourishment in a form that's simple, quick, and delicious. Whether you're looking to boost your protein, support your energy, improve digestion, or just add something fresh and healthy to your meals, quinoa fits right in. One small seed, thousands of years of history and endless benefits in every bowl. Want to learn more about the healing power of foods? Check out our other videos on nutrient-rich diets, superfoods, and natural remedies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Together, we're building a healthier, happier future. Thank you for watching.